There are 5 vowels in the English alphabet: A, E, I, O, and U. Today we will talk about the letter E. The letter E has 2 sounds: the short E sound, E, like in egg, and the long E sound, E, like in eagle. We hear the short E sound in words like hen, pet, check, and leg. These are all CVC words and have one consonant sound before the letter E and one consonant sound after the letter E. A vowel pair is when 2 vowels work together to make a long vowel sound. These are the vowel pairs that make the long E sound. When 2 E's are together, they can make the long E sound. Let's look at some examples. C, tree, meat, bee, green. When the letters E and A are together, they can also make the long E sound. Let's look at some examples. Eat, tea, leaf, beach, speak. When there is an E with a consonant letter and another E at the end of the word, we can hear the long E sound in the first E. Here are some examples. Concrete, delete, complete. The letters E and I together can also make the long E sound. Usually this comes after the letter C, but not always. Ceiling, receipt, caffeine, receive. The letters E, Y can also make the long E sound. Key, money, chimney, monkey. The letters I, E can also make the long E sound. Let's look at some examples. Thief, field, piece, as in a piece of pizza, shield, Y. When we see the letter Y at the end of a word, it makes the long E sound. Baby, happy, cherry, penny. Let's practice. Listen to a word. If you hear the long E sound in the word, put your thumb up or say yes. If you don't hear the long E sound in the word, put your thumb down or say no. Teacher, teacher. Yes, The word teacher has the long E. Bed, bed. No, the long E sound is not in the word bed. Men, men. No, the long E sound is not in the word men. Peach, peach. Yes, the long E sound is in the word peach. Valley, valley. Yes, the long E sound is in the word valley. Clean, clean. Yes, the long E sound is in the word clean. Jet, jet. No, the long E sound is not in the word jet. Easy, easy. Yes, the long E sound is in the word easy. Cheese, cheese. Yes, the long E sound is in the word cheese. Pen, pen. No, the long E sound is not in the word pen. Practice 2. Listen to the word. See if you can remember which vowel pair is used in that word. B, E, B. Field, I, field. Money, EY, money. Leaf, EA, leaf. Happy, Y, happy. Eat, EA, eat. Complete, E, consonant E, complete. Thief, IE, thief. Receipt, EI, receipt. Peace, IE, piece, as in piece of pizza. EA can also make the word peace if I'm talking about peace, like the opposite of fighting or war, for example. This is a good reminder that in English, oftentimes there can be two different spellings with different meanings of the same sounding word. Thanks for watching. Teachers, you can find all my phonics materials in my Teachers Pay Teacher store.